In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage email templates in HubSpot CRM. Let's start by opening your HubSpot portal and heading to the user guide. This area gives you a centralized view of the tools you'll use most often. Once you're there, click on Email to open the Email tab. This is your workspace for building, organizing, and maintaining your templates so your team can send consistent, on-brand messages in less time. Inside the Email tab, you can create a specific email template tailored to your outreach goal. As you build, focus on the essentials: a clear subject line, concise body copy, and a strong call to action. Add personalization where it makes sense, such as the recipient's name or company, to increase engagement without sounding robotic. Keep paragraphs short, use scannable language, and preview how the template will look on both desktop and mobile. Save frequently as you go so you never lose changes. If you plan to use the template repeatedly without manual sends, you can automate it later. That means once your template is ready, you can connect it to your existing processes so it sends in a consistent, timely way based on your triggers and rules. The key is to finalize your content and formatting first, then plug it into your automation when you're confident it's polished. This page also shows every template you already have. You can select a template and add it when you're composing an email or open it to make updates. A simple naming convention goes a long way here. Include the purpose, audience, and version so teammates instantly know when and how to use it. When you update a template, consider leaving a short internal note about what changed and why. Brand consistency matters, so this is also where you can change the logo. Open the header or image area, replace the existing file with your current logo, and check the alt text for accessibility. Make sure the logo scales well on mobile, and keep the file size lean to support faster loading and better deliverability. Finally, if you see outdated or redundant templates, delete the ones you no longer need to keep your library clean and easy to navigate. Before removing something used by others, confirm with your team to avoid breaking a running process. When in doubt, duplicate a template and revise the copy so you preserve the original while improving it. That's it. You've seen where to find the email tab, how to create templates, connect them to automation when ready, review what you already have, update branding, and safely remove what you don't need.